Thanks for that, driver. Hello folks, welcome to Penlee Point. Look at this, look folks. Queen Adelaide's grotto. It was built in the 1820s. This was built in homage for Queen Adelaide, the wife of William V. Just amazing. Wow, look at all this, look. This was the original grotto and they expanded it into all of this, look. Look at this, look folks. These steps have been over here for over 100 years. Look at the beating they've took by the waves, the pounding over the years. They were built to get the guns right up to the top, up to the battery. The guns weighed 65 tonne. It took them over a year to get the guns up in place. There was over 200 men and horses. They used to run a net, folks, a huge, great long net from the breakwater over there to here, where it was anchored, a big steel net to stop the German U-boats coming in. We were just trying to get a drone up, but it was so windy, it took the drone right at sea. We were lucky to get it back. One more thing, we forgot to check out the battery. There used to be two big searchlights up here. They've all been pulled down. It's a shame. Sorry folks, I can't find the secret entrance to the battery. But I'll make up for it in the next video. I'll do the torpedo station for you. Thanks for watching folks. Penlee Point, well worth a visit.